Hello everyone! Welcome back here on my channel. This is me once again, Teacher Jinjin, your virtual teacher here on YouTube. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, gumagawa ako ng mga Tagalog tutorial videos mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Kung gusto mong mag-advance learning sa inyong mga topics from 1st quarter hanggang 4th quarter, feel free to visit our playlist. Kompleto lahat yon. Okay, let's get started! Good day mga anak shis! Nandito na tayo sa learning task number 4. Ang gagawin natin dito ay find the equation of the line given the graph. So, meron tayong given dito na graph and then i-identify natin kung ano yung kanyang equation. Ang una nating gagawin, i-identify natin kung ano yung points ng graph. Okay? So, numberan natin to, diba? Ito yung origin. So, this is positive 1, positive 2, 3, and 4. Then, ito naman, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, 4, 5. And then, dito naman, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and then negative 6. Dito naman, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So, ano yung first point natin dito? Pwedeng magbaliktad ha? Ano yung first point natin? Tingin tayo dito sa x muna, that is 4. And then, dito naman sa y-axis, that is 1. So, ang first point natin is 4, positive 1. Okay? Dito naman, saan yung kanyang x-coordinate? So, nasa tapat siya ni negative 5 at nasa tapat ng positive 5. So, this is negative 5, positive 5. Okay? So, ngayon, ang given natin is 4, positive 1, and negative 5, positive 5. So, pwede natin gamitin dito yung 2-point form. Maalala nyo ba yung formula ng 2-point form? So, that is y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is multiplied by x sub 2 or x pala. Sorry. X minus x sub 1. So, ito yung x sub 1 natin. Ito yung y sub 1. Ito yung x sub 2, ito yung y sub 2. I-substitute natin yung mga values, that is y minus ang y sub 1 natin is 1 is equal to y sub 2 is positive 5 minus ang y sub 1 that is 1 over x sub 2 negative 5 minus x sub 1 4 multiply by x minus ang x sub 1 natin is 4. Okay? Then, i-simplify natin. So, y minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1 equals 4 over negative 5 minus 4. Pareho sila ng sign, so i-add natin. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 and then ang sign nila is negative, kaya negative 9. Multiply by x minus 4. I-distribute natin yung 4 over negative 9 dito. So, magiging 4 over negative 9x. And then, 4 times negative 4 is equal to negative 16 over negative 9. So, lagyan muna natin ng parenthesis. And then, ilipat na natin yung negative 1 magiging positive 1. Then, maiiwan dito yung y. Then, simplify again. Y is equal to 4 over negative 9x. So, magiging positive na to kasi negative times 16 over negative 9 equals positive 16 over 9 plus 1. I-solve muna natin itong constant term na 16 over 9 plus 1. Diba lahat ng whole number may denominator na 1, so magiging over 1 yan. Ang LCD ng 9 at 1 is 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1 times 16 equals 16 plus 9 divided by 1 equals 9 times 1 equals positive 9 over simplify, 16 plus 9 equals 20, 5 over 9. So, yan yung ilalagay natin dito. Y is equal to negative 4 over 9x plus 25 over 9. So, ito na yung slope-intercept form or yung equation ng line. Kapag kukunin naman natin yung standard form nito, ilipat natin yung negative 4 over 9 sa kabila, magiging positive 4 over 9x plus y is equal to 25 over 9. So, para matanggal si 9 dito, kasi kailangan whole number yung first term, i-multiply natin ng positive 9. So, para makancel yan. 4 over 9x times 9 is equal to 4x. And then, y times 9 is equal to positive 9y. Then, ito naman, makakancel din. Ang matitira na lang is 25. So, ito na yung standard form ng equation ng line. Okay? Then, next, we have number 2. Ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, ito, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So, ito ay positive 4, positive 2. Ito naman, meron tayong negative 1, negative 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that is negative 2, negative 8. Negative pala to. Okay, so ang dalawang points natin dito ay positive 4, positive 2 at negative 2, negative 8. Gamitin din natin yung ginamit natin kanina na 2-point form. So that is y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. So ito yung x sub 1 natin, ito yung y sub 1, ito yung x sub 2, at ito naman yung y sub 2. By substitution, that is y minus, ang y sub 1 natin is 2, is equal to, ang y sub 2 is negative 8 minus y sub 1, that is 2, over, ang x sub 2 is negative 2, minus ang x sub 1 is positive 4. Okay? Then, multiply by x, minus ang x sub 1 natin is 4. And then, simplify na natin. So, that is y minus 2 is equal to negative 8 minus 2. Magkapareho sila ng sign. So, i-add natin. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And then, ang sign nila is negative. Ganon din dito. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Ang sign nila is negative din. Then, multiply natin sa x minus 4. Okay? And then, simplify. Y minus 2 is equal to negative 10 over negative 6, magiging positive 5 over 3. Kasi 10 divided by 2 equals 5, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then negative divided by negative, positive na siya. I-multiply natin sa x minus 4. So 5 over 3x is equal to 5 over 3x. And then 5 over 3 times negative 4 is equal to negative 20 over 3. Then, i-transpose na natin si negative 2 magiging positive 2. Okay? So, ang matitira dito is y. Simplify muna natin yung negative 20 plus 2. So, dito ko muna ilalagay negative 20 over 3 plus 2. Diba may over 1 yan? Ang LCD ng 3 at 1 is 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 times negative 20 equals negative 20. 3 divided by negative 1 equals 3 times 2 is equal to positive 6. So, simplify. Negative 20 plus 6 is equal to negative 14 over 3. So, that is y is equal to 5 over 3x minus 14 over 3. So, ito na yung slope-intercept form. Kung i-convert naman natin siya sa kanyang standard form, ililipat natin si positive 5 over 3x sa kabila, magiging negative 5 over 3x. So, ito yung slope-intercept form at ito naman yung standard form. Then, copy positive y is equal to negative 14 over 3. So, kagaya lang din dito, i-multiply natin ng negative 3 para makancel si negative at maging positive na lang to. So, makakancel yan, makakancel. Ang matitira is 5x. Negative 3 times y is equal to positive 3y. equals, ito naman makakancel din yung negative tsaka 3. So, magiging 14 na lang siya. So, this is now the standard form of the equation of the line. Okay? Now, number 3, paano ba to? Wala naman siyang point. So, lalagyan ko na lang din siya ng point para i-assume na lang natin na nandito yung point. Tanungin nyo na lang sa teacher nyo para sigurado. So, ito yung origin niya, di ba? Ibig sabihin, itong point na to is 0, positive 2. At itong point naman na to, negative 2, 0. As you can see, meron tayong given na negative 2, 0 at 0, positive 2. Diba ito ay example ng x and y intercept? Ito yung x-intercept at ito naman yung y-intercept. Okay? Ano nga ba ulit ang gagamitin natin kapag given yung x and y-intercept? Pwede natin gamitin yung y is equal to negative b over a x plus b. Alright? So, papalitan ko itong given ko ha, pero ganito ang gawin ninyo. Palitan ko ito ng negative 3, 0, para sagutan ninyo yung nasa module ninyo. Okay? Kasi mas magandang natututo kayo kaysa yung kinokopya na lang natin yung sagot. So, that is y equals negative, ang b, 3 dito. My a is negative 3 at ang b ko naman is positive 3. Substitute, ang b ko ay positive 3 over ang a ko ay negative 3. X plus, ang b is 3. So, 3 divided by negative 3 equals negative 1 times, and then kopyahin natin ito, x plus 3. Negative times negative 1 equals positive 1x, or x na lang. Kahit wag nyo na lang ilagay yung 1. So, ito na yung slope-intercept form ng given na to. And kapag kukunin naman natin yung kanyang standard form, ilipat natin si positive x magiging negative x plus y is equal to positive 3. I-multiply natin ng negative 1 para maging positive yung standard form. Negative 1 times negative x equals positive x, and then y times negative 1 equals negative y equals 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3. So, ito yung aking standard form. Okay? So, ganito ang gawin ninyo dito sa number 3. So, yun lamang. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo. At kung nakatulong ito sa inyo, please don't forget to like at mag-comment na rin sa baba. Pakishare nyo na rin sa mga classmates ninyo. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye!